Hello, my friends. Welcome to a new video tutorial on Excel. Today we are going to learn how to use the round function in Excel. Before going to start the video, I will request you please like this video and subscribe to our channel. Coming back to the video, this is the data. I want to apply the round function. What is a round function? The round function is a function that we use to make the values or the digits rounded. The syntax used for rounding function is like this. You write round, then number and number digits. So let me just apply it to understand it in a more and better way. The very first type of rounding is the basic rounding. In basic rounding, we simply round the numbers to a specific decimal place. For example, we have a value that is 3.14159, for example, and I applied the basic round function, equal sign, round, and then this is the range or the value. For example, I want to round by 2 digits. Let me just show the other hidden values also. So I would write the equal sign and then round, and then select the value or the range, and then suppose I round it by 2 digits and then close the bracket. This will round the values to 2 digits. That means it will remove all of the values that are on the right side of the decimal except the first 2 values. So it removed the 2 zeros and only left the decimal point 53. The second type is rounding to the nearest integer. Suppose I have a value that is 7.8 and I round it. For example, select this value and then 0. This means that the digits on the right side of the decimal would be removed and the first digit that is on the left side of the decimal would be increased or would be rounded to the nearest higher value. So it removed the 80 to 00 and rounded 7 to 8. Now the next one is to round to the left of the decimal point through negative value. So how is that done? Just put the equal sign, round function. For example, suppose I have data. Let me first put a data here, which is, for example, 12345.67 and round this value to -3. So let me check it how it round this value. So you see that it has rounded the first 3 digits on the left side of the decimal to 000 and rounded the figure to 12,000. This negative sign has reduced the values on the left side of the decimal. If we write 2 here, only 4 and 5 would be removed. So it removed only 4 and 5 and converted them to 0, 0 or rounded them to 0, 0. Another way to round the values is rounding to millions. For example, I have a value that is in millions. In million, I mean this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7, and there is a decimal after 7. So round this value to 6 or to millions. So it means that the value is not already in millions. I would just put another value here. So you see it that it converted 1.2345670 million to exactly 1 million. So this was how we round the values or the numbers through round function. See you my friends in the next video tutorial.